Hello from the Office of Gift Planning at the University of Chicago. If you are motivated to make a charitable contribution to the university, a gift of real estate could be a terrific way to maximize your giving and accomplish other financial or estate planning goals. Our Office of Gift Planning has created this video to highlight the main considerations and benefits of making a charitable gift of real estate. At the end of this video, we hope you will have a better understanding of whether this giving option might make sense for you. The primary benefits of gifts of real estate are that you can avoid or reduce the capital gains tax you would otherwise pay on the sale, enjoy a charitable income tax deduction based on the current fair market value of the property, reduce the size and complexity of your estate, establish an income stream for life through creating a charitable gift annuity or a charitable remainder trust with the proceeds of the sale, eliminate the hassle of selling real estate when the university sells the property on your behalf. There are four main techniques for how you might structure your gift of real estate. The first option would be to make an outright gift. You will qualify for a tax deduction equal to the property's full fair market value. A second option would be to create a charitable remainder trust or a charitable gift annuity using the proceeds of the sale of your property. These are giving vehicles that allow you to make a gift and receive an income stream back for your lifetime. Take a substantial tax deduction, eliminate the capital gains tax on the sale, and at the end of your lifetime, the gift will be used to support an area or program at the university that is most meaningful to you. A third option would be to create a retained life estate, which allows you to continue living in your home and earn an immediate income tax deduction for a portion of the value of your home. A final option would be to establish your gift in your will or living trust. Including your gift of real estate in your estate plan will allow you to retain the use of your property during your life and may also provide estate tax savings. Here are some important considerations when making a gift of real estate. You will need to obtain a qualified appraisal to determine the property's fair market value. A representative from University of Chicago will need to examine your property to conduct an independent analysis of its marketability and condition. A determination will need to be made about whether the property has any debts or taxes owed on it, as real estate that has debt associated with it is usually not appropriate for a charitable gift. Finally, University of Chicago will typically sell the property rather than maintain and manage it. If you own a primary or secondary residence, undeveloped property, or commercial real estate for which you no longer want to be responsible, would like to reduce your income taxes and receive a life income in return for your gift, would like to make a significant contribution to the university, we would be happy to discuss how to structure your gift according to your unique goals and situation. The first step is to contact our team by email at giftplan@uchicago.edu or phone at 773-702-3130. The Office of Gift Planning at University of Chicago is pleased to explore how you can unlock your real estate assets to make a wonderful gift of lasting impact. We look forward to connecting with you.